Hello, this is Marie McGrath from Marie's Bakehouse. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to put together the antlers on the headband of this penguin for this month's tutorial in Cake Decoration and Sugarcraft magazine. First of all, you would roll a thin sausage of brown sugar paste for the band, not too thin, and that would lie over the top of the head of the penguin. The antlers, we start off with 2 teardrop shapes in the same shade of brown, the sugar paste. Let's just move that back so you can see them. And we're going to flatten them down a little bit, again not too thin because we still want to be able to manipulate the paste. And then taking a sharp knife, you're just going to cut into the paste on either side, and then very gently, so there's the cuts, very gently we're going to take each one of these and just roll it very gently between finger and thumb, just to get rid of those sharp edges and give it a little bit of a different shape. So that's one side, turn it over and do the other side. So there we've got the antler shape, and that will be stuck down over the top of the band. I'll just repeat for the other side. So cuts all the way around the edge, maybe 6 or 7 cuts, and then each one of those just very gently rolled between finger and thumb, just to round them off a little bit. Paste is a little bit sticky today, it's quite humid here in Manchester. I know that might seem strange doing a Christmas tutorial, but it's actually August. So there we go, rounded, and that will go on the other side of the headband. And then to make the leaves, just a very small piece of paste. So we roll on either side of that to make the leaf shape. Again with the second one, roll the ball, roll either side and flatten them down. Those will get stuck at the front. We use a little bit of edible glue to keep them in place. And then for the berries, just very small red balls of paste. 3 would do, and then stick those into place in front of the leaves. And then I'll just show you how that looks as we put it together to make the headband for the penguin. Okay, bye for now.